She is strong, fast, determined, and ready to serve. Weighing over 90,000 tons and packing over 80 combat aircraft, she will defend with the spirit of the men and women who built her. Thousands of men and women, shipbuilders who labored with skill, dedication, and pride for more than 5 years to bring her to life. It takes an extraordinary person to become a shipbuilder. The question is, do you have what it takes? The work can be hard in the sweltering heat of summer,
The weather can get to you.
It gets hot out here.
Plenty of heat in the summer.
in the snow and biting cold of winter,
Wind is blowing. It is cold. It's very cold.
In the winter it's cold.
in the rain, and even in the dark of night. The work goes on. As a shipbuilder, you become part of a team, a tough, no-nonsense team that expects you to be at work every day, on time, to pull your part of the load. The shipbuilder's 8 hours is no picnic. They work hard, right up to the end of their shift, then they must come back the next day ready to do it all again. Still want to be a shipbuilder? If so, and if you are one of those who can cut it, the rewards will far offset the challenges. You will work for a great company, earn a good and steady income, and provide excellent benefits for you and your family. You will learn a valuable skill that you will keep for life and can use no matter where you might go in the future. And your handiwork will become a part of the greatest warships ever to sail, built by proud men and women just like you. A Nimitz-class carrier is composed of over 40,000 tons of structure. She houses and equips over 3,000 men and women on a constant vigil of protecting our freedom, and carries hundreds of millions of dollars worth of state-of-the-art machinery and systems. And it's all assembled and held together by the work of one of shipbuilding's most skilled trades, the ship fitter. From the smallest piece of steel to the largest superlift, the ship fitter measures, cuts, grinds, fits, aligns, and tack welds to form raw steel plate into the most advanced vessel of its kind in the world. As a ship fitter, your job is to build a structure that can withstand the harsh environs of the ocean, the pressure of battle, and the test of time. Yours is a specialized trade found only in a shipyard. And as a ship fitter for Northrop Grumman Newport News, your work is even more specialized. You create the standard for the construction of fighting ships. Building a ship requires the ability to see the finished product before it appears. This conceptualization is the result of a combination of skills unique to the ship fitter. A good ship fitter must bring math skills, mechanical aptitude, and good physical condition to their jobs at all times. Of these, good physical condition cannot be stressed enough. Don't kid yourself. Ship fitting is demanding work. Teasingly called steel bangers by other trades, a typical day for a ship fitter requires heavy lifting in physically challenging conditions. Hot, cold, noisy, and dirty environments. Cramped, confined spaces, and sometimes even extreme heights are more or less routine for the ship fitter. But there is also opportunity. Opportunity for education, training, and career advancement at our nationally recognized apprentice school. Many of our top leaders in the company today began their careers with training and education through the apprentice school. There are also tuition-free night school courses offered and tuition reimbursement programs for those who want to attend an accredited college. But the training is the easy part. Like most new shipbuilders, ship fitters get down to the nitty-gritty of their trade almost immediately. After orientation, you'll be assigned to the welding school. After 4 to 6 weeks of training to become a qualified tack welder, burner, and fire watch, you will be assigned to a supervisor and will likely find yourself working in a shop, on a platen, or even a ship almost immediately. A platen is a flat work area where larger components of what will eventually become a ship are constructed. Where you are placed and your shift assignment is based on production needs. It will depend on what phase of construction a given ship is under when you come on board. If you've never before worked in a large, heavy industrial complex, the shipyard can hold many surprises. Listen to some realistic eye-openers from some of those who lived the experience.
There's a lot of climbing, a lot of crawling involved in some cases. It's not a thing that we do every day, but there will be times where you'll be required to crawl and go into certain departments and contain. That can be a little tedious at times.
A typical day could include maybe sanding and grinding all day, maybe welding, tack welding, maybe all day, maybe even burning all day. And a lot of heavy lifting. Like I said, if you ever need any help, you always have to get your coworkers to help you.
Ship fitters are a tough bunch of characters, but their job also demands a high degree of intellect and mechanical ability.
Math is pretty important. You're dealing with a lot of measurements, rulers, subtracting, adding.
Working with fractions and decimal numbers. We work with some decimal numbers more than some other places in the shipyard with these smaller foundations because we got a lot of work that goes to the machine shop.
Blueprint reading in the shipyard there's much more to it than reading blueprint out in, somewhere else.
Some make it, some don't. Those who do make it have special characteristics. A desire to learn a valuable skill, a willingness to follow instructions, and a proactive attitude.
I enjoy working here. The job is challenging, and there's always something new to learn.
My favorite thing about working here is probably the learning experience. You learn a lot of stuff that you probably wouldn't see by having a desk job where you're in an office all day.
You must have the will to take on a challenge and conquer it. Frustration may be part of the learning curve, but our supervisors and training department will work with you to help you, guide you, encourage you, and enhance your ship fitter skills.
To be quite honest, giving me a lot of patience working here because a lot of times when you're doing stuff, it don't go always as well as you planned it. So you have to, kind of relax yourself, not get frustrated, take your time and go take another route.
If you have the determination to cope with the difficulties, you will reap the benefits of opportunity, success, and pride as you become a shipbuilder.
I have to be the best I can be, and when I see a job completed well, this is something I've done.
To know that my workmanship, the quality work that I put out is going out to make a home for hundreds of people out in the ocean. It's a great feeling.
Well, I can't wait for that. Yeah, that's what I look forward to. Is actually seeing a ship, sail in a way that I actually built.
Something that's going to go to help protect the country that people are going to live on and trust their life with, that I had a part in helping build and construct.
This is what it looks like once we put everything together. And to start from nothing, to see this, what we've done, it makes you feel real good.
This is what it takes: a great attitude, pride, and a commitment to succeed. And like these shipbuilders, you have the opportunity to work with a team of proud craftsmen, the opportunity to learn a valuable skill, and the opportunity to succeed to the highest level you desire. Our shipbuilders build the future, great warships that for the next 50 years will defend the country and protect our freedom. Do you have what it takes to be one of them?